Hi parents and caregivers. If you're wondering how to help your baby or toddler start talking, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing 7 easy and effective tips to encourage speech development at home. No special tools needed. Let's get into it. Babies are like little sponges, soaking up everything around them, even before they can say mama or dada. That's why it's so important to talk to your little one constantly. Narrate your every move. Describe what you're doing as you go about your day. Now I'm changing your diaper, or we're making lunch. Look, a banana. You're building vocabulary before they even speak. Use those hands, make funny faces, and vary your tone of voice. Babies are drawn to those things, and it keeps them engaged. Remember, you're not just teaching them words, you're teaching them how to communicate. There's a reason why songs and nursery rhymes have been passed down through generations. They're like magic for little ears. Singing to your baby is more than just a soothing activity, it's a powerful tool for language development. Those catchy tunes and repetitive rhymes help your child recognize sounds, rhythms, and patterns. Try classics like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and Itsy Bitsy Spider. Pause before the last word of a line and let your little one try to fill in the blank. So put on your favorite tunes, grab your little one, and sing your hearts out. Think of playtime as a chance to renovate your little one's vocabulary. Every toy, every object is an opportunity for language learning. As you play, label everything. This is a car. The car goes vroom. You're holding a red crayon. Repetition is key here. The more you repeat the names of objects and actions, the more likely your child is to remember them. Use different voices, make animal sounds, and turn it into a game. Making it fun is the secret ingredient to keeping those little minds engaged. Playtime is about creating a world of wonder and discovery, where learning happens naturally and effortlessly. In this fast-paced world, it's easy to forget the importance of slowing down and truly listening. When you ask your toddler a question or talk to them, pause and give them a few seconds to respond, even if it's just a sound or gesture. This teaches them conversation turn-taking, which is a big part of communication. Those silences are golden. They give your little one the space they need to process what you're saying and formulate a response. Patience is key here. Just like with any good renovation project, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are those little voices. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to encourage speech development is to get down on their level and make eye contact when speaking. When you're talking to someone face to face, you're more likely to pay attention and feel connected to what they're saying. This helps them see how your mouth moves and encourages them to copy sounds and facial expressions. Plus, it shows them that you're fully present and engaged in the moment with them. It's about creating a space where they feel seen, heard, and loved. Reading together isn't just a cozy bedtime ritual. It's one of the best ways to boost speech and language development. Choose books with big pictures and simple words. Let your child point to objects and repeat after you. Books like Brown Bear, or First 100 Words are great starters. As you read, point to the pictures, ask questions, and encourage your child to interact with the story. It's about making reading an interactive and enjoyable experience for both of you. The more fun you have with it, the more likely your little one is to fall in love with the world of books. When it comes to language development, every little step counts. Clap for every attempt, even if it's just babbling or copying a sound. Positive reinforcement builds confidence and encourages more attempts. Those early attempts at communication are like precious little seeds that, with love and encouragement, will blossom into beautiful blooms of language. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more baby development tips, parenting support, and speech activities you can do at home. Have questions or want a part 2? Drop them in the comments below.